Yan mga kaboxing, panoodin po natin ang laban ni Magsayo at saka ni Mata. Sobrang bakbakan po at intense ng laban. Tingnan nyo naman, no? Tumatama lagi yung mga mga hook, punch nila. Yan. Panoodin natin hanggang dulo. Sino man nanalo sa dalawang ito. Yan, natamaan sa bodega. Yan. Palitan po ang suntukan ng dalawa. Mabibigat ang suntok nila. Yan. Kumounter dun si replay yun, tumama sa mukha, double uppercut ni Magsayo. Tumama na naman, hook, uppercut ni Magsayo, pero matibay si Mata, matras na siya. Yun, tinamaan na naman siya, up and down. Yun, binabakbakan na po ni Magsayo. Yun, tumatama, kumakounter pa rin yung kalaban. Yan, nasa ring side na. Ayun, yun, tumama na naman, 1-2 punch ni Magsayo. Ala, binakbakan. Yun, tinamaan na naman siya, counter. Yun. Laging may counters ka Magsayo at saka yung si Mata. Yun napakalakas nung uppercut na yun Tingnan nyo, bang! Lakas pero tibay ni Mata. Yun. Na-counter na naman yung kalaban niya. Yun, sinugod niya. Yun mo, lalakas ng suntukan ng dalawa. Pero ang titibay nila mga kaboxing. Suktulan hanggang round 12 po yan. Yung laban nilang yan. Tingnan natin kung sinong matitira sa dalawa.
A man who's been in the ring against Ray Vargas and Brandon. The entire fight, the body work there from Magsayo. He opens up with another body shot.
Free left hook to the body. Well, as I mentioned, Mata's only been boxing for 7 years. He only had 35 amateurs.
He's gonna get Mata some good shots, but he gave some as well.
Half of this fight.
Land a good shot where he talked about the right hand. The right hand is there. Should be ahead comfortably on the scorecard. Anything, to the last round and perhaps.
By the way, he's opening up this final round.
He's putting himself in some danger, though. Did he tell you he's going to Disneyland? Nice combination from Mark Magsayo. He takes a right hand.
Punches the gloves together.
Oh,
that's it.
Here. Let me land the gas. Left hook there. Okay. Mata, a lot of credit for all the punishment he took. And as Magsayo.
Judges Mike Fitzgerald and Jack Reese see it.
100 to 90.
Kaya panoodin po natin yung decision ng mga judges.
Magnifico!
Yan, panalo po ang ating Filipino pride. Mark Magnifico Magsayo. Congratulations.